Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to transfer your files between your Android phone and your Android TV. So let's get started.
So first of all, you need to install this application called Send Files to TV on your Android TV and your Android phone as well. Then open the application and click on Receive if you want to send the file from your phone to TV. Then click on this Receive button. It will ask you permissions. Click on OK and allow the permission. Now open your app in your Android phone and click on skip, done, and allow the permissions and send your any file you want. Go to DCI app and I'm sending this photo. This is my TV and we got it. Now you can see the photo in your file explorer. Search for file. Open File Explorer.
Opening FX File Explorer.
And you can just go to download and you got the file here.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If so, please make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful content.